In this video, I'm going to let you know about some of the social media events happening during the month of October. Now, it is especially important to plan ahead, and having a robust social media strategy will help those potential customers form a positive relationship with you and your brand. Now, the first event for October is Go Sober. So it actually runs for the whole of the month, and this event is run by Macmillan Cancer Support. It encourages folk to actually avoid alcohol for the entire month by registering on their website and then raising money to help people with cancer for the duration of the month. Now, the official website is full of resources, inspiration, and a shop where you can buy merch to show your support for the event itself. So if you have a bricks and mortar shop, you could consider holding an event there to support the charity. Obviously, social distancing rules apply, using the resources and guidance from their website. Now, this will encourage extra footfall and give you lots of opportunities to create some fantastic social media content in the form of photos and videos during that month. On the 1st of October, it is World Vegetarian Day. Now, whilst there is no actual official website for this event, it's not really required, as all to take part is to actually celebrate vegetarianism, which is rising in popularity all the time. So if your online shop actually sells anything related to cooking, and specifically items used when cooking vegetables, such as baking trays, food steamers, now this is an excellent event for you to get involved with, and you can use your products in styled photos or videos suggesting how to prepare your veggies. Another event that is also on the 1st of October is International Coffee Day. Now, the actual aim of International Coffee Day is to raise awareness for a fair wage, as a decline in prices has led to coffee farmers struggling to make a living wage. Now, on the official website, you can actually find out more about the coffee crisis and what you need to do to get involved. So if your online shop sells coffee supplies, coffee machines, coffee cups, and similar, now this is an event for you to get involved with. With a little research, you could even write a blog post about how your own products are sustainable, and also what you're doing to support the plight of coffee farmers. Now, interestingly, National Poetry Day is also on the 1st of October, so this is celebrated in schools and across kind of like social media. National Poetry Day is run by the Forward Arts Foundation charity, and it aims to raise awareness of poetry, growing its audience and discovering new poets in the process as well. So if you sell poetry books or products with poetry quotations on them, make sure that these products are promoted both before the event and on the day itself. Now, moving on to the actual 2nd of October, it is World Smile Day. So this year it is the 21st World Smile Day, where the emphasis is a random act of kindness and celebrating the smiley face logo created by Harvey Ball in 1963. Now, this event has a website, Facebook page, Twitter, and also a YouTube. There is also an Instagram account. The trending hashtag for this event is #WorldSmileDay, and it is a very popular hashtag. So if any products on your online shop carry the traditional smiley face logo, make sure these products are promoted on the day. You could even take photos of your staff displaying their best smiles if you wish to. On the 4th of October, it is World Animal Day. Now, the aim of this event is to improve the welfare standards of animals around the world and make it a better place for all animals. So if your online shop sells anything animal related, such as food, animal accessories, this is a good event for you to get involved with, and if you can afford it, maybe consider making a donation to an animal charity of your choice, so you can make a post about it and also encourage your followers to do the same. Now, on the 6th of October, it is National Badger Day. So the aim of this event is to raise awareness of badgers and to raise money for the Badger Trust, who protect these badgers all year round, vaccinating them and encouraging their growth and the vital part that they play in our ecosystem. So you can find lots of inspiration on their social pages for the kind of content you should be posting to join in with this event. So if your online shop sells products that are kind of like countryside themed, such as walking and hiking equipment, It's a sound assumption that your customers will care about badgers and British wildlife as much as you do. So you should make a donation to the Badger Trust if you can afford it, and also encourage your followers to do the same. On the 11th of October, it is National Coming Out Day. So there is an actual official website that provides more information about this event, but it's also worth searching about the hashtag National Coming Out Day on Instagram and Twitter, so you can see kind of like an example of the kind of content you should post to take part in this event. Also, if your shop sells any gay pride products or merchandise, you'll want to get these items promoted both before and during the event itself. On the 16th of October, it is World Food Day, encouraging healthy and sustainable diets for all. World Food Day aims to make hashtag zero hunger a possibility in a world where we have both famine and obesity. Now, there's lots of facts on the official website that you can use to create content for your own social media and start a conversation with your followers. Also, if your online shop sells cooking products and equipment, specifically items for making meals on a budget, such as a slow cooker for example, then promote these and highlight how easy it is to make large volumes but still tasty meals. On the 23rd of October, it is Wear It Pink Day. Now, all you need to do is register on the official website and wear pink for the day. Of course, this event is very social media friendly, as it provides an opportunity for you to take lots of photos of yourself and your team in their very best pink outfits. Now, there is obviously social media which you can look at for inspiration too. There's also a Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter. Also, if you have a physical shop, consider holding a Wear It Pink event to encourage extra footfall during the day, as well as getting your staff involved to create lots of social media content. Now, alternatively, you could also make a donation to the charity as a company and encourage your followers to do the same as well. On October the 25th, it is World Pasta Day. So if your online shop sells anything pasta related, from ingredients to pasta makers and cooking equipment, then promote your products with lots of lifestyle images and ideally run a promotion for the event itself. Also on October the 25th, the clocks go back and British summertime ends. Now, whilst there is no official website for this event, you could use the hashtag clocksgoback or clocksgobacksunday on both Instagram and Twitter, posting content to remind your followers about the change, and apart from their mobile phones, which automatically adjust which clocks they will actually need to manually change. Now, this is very shareable content, as the post is likely to be sent to friends and family as a reminder as well. So a subtle form of brand awareness, so definitely make sure you use this opportunity. And finally, on the 31st of October, it is Halloween. Now, again, whilst there is no official website for this event specifically, it's an excellent opportunity for you to create some fantastic content for your company's social media. So if your online shop sells fancy dress items or horror film memorabilia, then you need to promote these products around 10 days before the event and also during the day itself. Alternatively, if you or your staff are dressing up for the day, take lots of photos and stories for your social media. And that's all the events we have for October. Next month, we'll be publishing a list of events that are due to run during November 2020, so you can plan ahead for that month too. So be sure to follow us on all our social media channels so you get a notification of when the next month is published. Hopefully you've learned about some new social media events that happen during the October month, and it gives you some interesting post ideas. Now let us know in the comment section down below if you'll be posting about any of these events or taking part in them. Also, if you want some more ideas of how these events could be used for personal posts rather than business posts, to start a conversation with your audience, then you can find that on our blog page at ekm.com/blog. As always, the link is in our Instagram bio or the description below. Thanks for watching.